Welcome to this tutorial on Start Process, a powerful PowerShell cmdlet for launching applications. Start Process gives you complete control over how programs run on your system. Whether you need to open a simple text editor or execute complex administrative tasks, this cmdlet is your gateway to process management in PowerShell. Throughout this video, you'll learn the syntax, parameters, and practical examples that will make you proficient in launching applications from the command line. Start Process offers 4 major advantages over simply typing an executable name. First, it provides control and flexibility, allowing you to launch applications with specific parameters and custom settings. Second, you can run programs as administrator using elevated privileges, which is essential for system administration tasks. Third, you can set the working directory, determining where the application starts and looks for files. Finally, the wait parameter lets you control script flow by pausing execution until the launched application completes. These features make Start Process indispensable for automation and scripting. The basic syntax of Start Process is straightforward. You type start-process followed by the FilePath parameter and the name of the executable in quotes. For example, to launch Notepad, you would write start-process-filepath notepad.exe quote. This simple structure is the foundation for all Start Process commands. The FilePath parameter tells PowerShell exactly which program you want to run. You can specify just the executable name if it's in your system path, or provide the full path to the file. Start Process supports 6 essential parameters. FilePath specifies the executable or file to launch. ArgumentList passes arguments or command line switches to the application. WorkingDirectory sets the starting directory where the process begins execution. Wait pauses your script until the launched process completes, perfect for sequential operations. Verb specifies actions like run as for administrator privileges. WindowStyle controls how the window appears, with options like hidden, minimized, maximized, or normal. Understanding these parameters unlocks the full potential of Start Process. Passing arguments to applications extends their functionality. To open a specific file with Notepad, use start-process-filepath notepad.exe followed by -argumentlist and the file path in quotes, such as c:/logs/system.log. For web browsers, you can launch Chrome with a URL by specifying chrome.exe as the file path and the website address as the argument list. The backtick character allows you to split long commands across multiple lines for better readability. Arguments give you precise control over application behavior. Many administrative tasks require elevated privileges. The verb parameter with the value run as launches applications as administrator. For example, start-process-filepath PowerShell.exe verb run as opens a new PowerShell window with administrator rights. Similarly, you can launch registry editor with elevated permissions using start-process-filepath regedit.exe verb run as. Windows will prompt for user account control confirmation before granting these elevated privileges. This is crucial for system configuration and maintenance tasks. The wait parameter is invaluable for automation scripts. When you add -wait to your command, PowerShell pauses execution until the launched process completes. For instance, start-process-filepath setup.exe -wait ensures your script waits for the installer to finish before continuing. The WindowStyle parameter controls window visibility. Setting WindowStyle to hidden runs processes in the background without displaying a window, perfect for batch files or background tasks. This keeps your desktop clean while automated processes run silently. Let's explore practical scenarios. To open a file with its default application, simply specify the file path. Start-process-filepath document.pdf Windows automatically uses the associated program. To launch command prompt in a specific directory, use the working directory parameter. Start dash process dash filepath quote cmd.exe quote dash working directory quote c colon backslash projects quote. You can combine multiple parameters for complex operations, like running an installer silently with administrator privileges while waiting for completion. Start dash process dash filepath quote installer dot msi quote dash ArgumentList quote / quiet quote dash wait dash verb run as. These examples demonstrate the versatility of start process in real-world administration.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.